If you want to know what to eat to prevent breast cancer, today's video is for you. For the easiest to understand and helpful advice on everything health and mindset related, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. Today's video is very near and dear to my heart because both my mom and my aunt had breast cancer. I made it my mission to research the best foods to eat to prevent breast cancer, and I'm going to share them with you today. So let's get started. Food number one is apples. Eating one apple a day has been shown to reduce your risk of breast cancer by 24%. Now, that's due to the antioxidant that's found in the apple peel. So make sure that when you are eating your apple, you eat the peel too, because that's where all of the good antioxidants are. Food number two is broccoli and also other cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, everyone that's in that family. So broccoli contains a compound that turns into something called sulforaphane. So when you actually physically chew the broccoli, that's when it reacts with the enzymes in your mouth and it forms this compound. Now, sulforaphane has been shown to suppress the ability of stem cells to turn into cancerous tumors. So eat your broccoli, and in fact, if you eat just a quarter cup of broccoli sprouts, that has been shown to reduce your risk of getting breast cancer. Food number three is flax seeds. So flax seeds contain something called lignans, and lignans work to kind of dampen the effect of estrogen in your body. In fact, flax seeds have 100 times more lignans than other foods. Now, you want to make sure that you grind up your flax seeds before you eat them, because flax seeds are pretty tough and they will just pass right through. So you want to make sure you grind them first. And then food number four is green tea. Drinking just 1 cup of green tea a day has been shown to reduce your risk of breast cancer by 30%. Just 1 cup. And then food number five is mushrooms. So women that ate 1 mushroom a day had a 67% reduced chance of developing breast cancer. In fact, if you have 1 mushroom a day in 1 cup of green tea, you can reduce your chances of getting breast cancer by 90%. That is huge. And so now we've gone through the 5 foods. I want to kind of go over how I incorporate these foods into my life and make it pretty easy. So for breakfast, I usually have oatmeal. And so I will cut up half of an apple, put that in my oatmeal, as well as I grind up a tablespoon of flax seeds and put that in there as well. Now, I just bought an inexpensive like coffee grinder from my local grocery store. I think it was like 20 bucks. And that's what I use. And so I just grind it really quick, put it in there. I also add some almond butter and some cinnamon too, and some walnuts. Walnuts are really high in antioxidants as well. So that takes care of my flax seeds and half of my apple. Usually in between breakfast and lunch, I will have a cup of green tea. And then for lunch, I'll have a big salad where I add broccoli sprouts that I grow myself. And I will put a link to a great home kit that you can do. It's super, super easy to grow your own sprouts. And then I also add the other half of the apple. So by lunchtime, I've pretty much had all of the superfoods that are going to kind of prevent breast cancer. Now, that being said, you can do everything right and still get breast cancer. I'm sure we all know people that this has happened to. But I just want to arm you with the knowledge of doing everything in your power to prevent any disease. So I hope that you have an awesome day. And then I'm also going to be sharing on my Instagram stories what I eat for breakfast and lunch. So please go find me on Instagram. It's just Jennifer DeMag, and I would love to connect with you there. Have an awesome Thursday or whatever day it is, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.